Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to disable your Instagram account. I'm going to show you to manipulate the on-screen interface for Instagram and actually find the delete option. Now of course, this is an updated tutorial as things have changed a little bit. So you might find that the option is buried deep within settings somewhere. Alright, so first of all, you'll need nothing but your phone. Even if Instagram is telling you that you'll need a PC to do this, there's a way to manipulate the Instagram interface to actually get to the delete option. All right, so the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and launch Instagram. Once you launch Instagram, make sure you're on your profile. Most likely you'll be on your home feed. To get to your profile, click on the profile icon, which is the last icon bottom right. So go ahead and tap on that to get to your profile feed. Once you're on your profile feed as seen here, go ahead and hit the three lines upper right. Once you do guys, you should be here. Go ahead and go to settings. And of course, once you're in settings, go to help. And once you click on help, you should be in the help area here. Go to help center. And of course, once you're here, guys, you should see that there's a number of stuff and nothing says anything about deleting anything. That's because Instagram has buried the option deep. So you can use the search option. So tap on the search icon. It should load and go ahead and search for delete account. All right, so once you delete account, you choose the option to search, simply type out delete account. All right, now of course it does find deep in the archives this option that says how do I delete my Instagram account. Tap. All right, so once you're here, it does give you some options and it says how to delete my Instagram account. And of course you can skip the first one here. If you go into that one, it will tell you something about a PC and a bunch of stuff which you don't necessarily want to do. So I usually skip that one and go down to the second option down here that says under this section that says to request permanent deletion of your account. Go to delete account. All right, that option is tricky to click sometimes. So if you miss the first time, do not worry. All right, then it asks you delete your account. All right, so what do you want to delete your account? And it gives the account name. Select a reason. Option is yours. Usually I go with something else. And of course, from here, you're going to enter your password, whatever your password is. And of course, you can hit done. And once the password is correct, guys, as seen here, it does give you the warning here. If you continue, your profile and account details will be deleted, and it gives you the date. It gives you about 31 days. Of course, do be warned that it does delete your account if you allow the entire time to pass, meaning it does give you a little time to change your mind, but it does tell you if you won't be visible on Instagram between now and then, meaning it will disappear and then it will be permanently deleted, meaning no chance of recovery. If you can change your mind, you can log back in before the deletion date and choose to keep your account. So if you do try to log back in with the credentials before the entirety of the time has elapsed, it does give you the option to restore your account. Of course, in this case, the option is yours again. So if you feel like going ahead and deleting your account, go ahead and hit delete once the password is correct. It should prompt you. Follow the rest of the instruction. I'm not going to do it on this account. I'm simply showing you how to find and get to the delete option. So if you hit delete said account here, what should happen is that it should take you to the delete page, confirm and delete. Once you do that, your account should be permanently deleted, especially after you wait the full 30 days for it to delete. All right, so for whatever reason you want to delete your account, guys, please do bear in mind that you do not need a PC as told by Instagram. The option is there, but it's buried deep within the options. All right, so once you know to manipulate the options, you should be able to find the options to delete your social media account. All right, if you have any direct questions pertaining to this, please ask them below. As always, guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. Same bye until next time. Bye.